Hey guys, let's eat. Okay guys, I'm back with another booming banging mukbang again guys. So here what we having tonight? We having bus up shot, well curry, right? So we having bus up shot guys. We have some sweet pumpkin, we have some channa, and we have some curry chicken with some curry potatoes guys. Something missing from this, but I don't eat it, which is string bean or bhaji or some one of them green thing guys, but I don't eat it. So guys, we will start here tonight and enjoy this meal. Dear Lord, I want to thank you for this meal. Thank you for providing this meal, dear Lord. Lord, please provide food those who food do not have tonight, dear Lord. In your name, Jesus' name. Okay guys, I'm drinking a Buster, red Buster tonight. I really feeling for no juice. Guys, I'm a crazy potato first. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not bad. Not bad guys. Guys, what we kind laughing? I still want to know what happened with Will Smith. I still want to know. Guys, it looked like, to me, it looked like the planet thing, eh? Because it looked kind of, guys, I being honest, the both parties have a say, right? Because number one, my wife, I not let nobody disrespect my wife. And what's his name? Chris Rock, Mr. Chris. Right. He was wrong, right? Yes, that is on his platform, right? He are a certified comedian, right, guys? So we have to understand that. But Will Smith is an actor; he's not a comedian. And his wife, I believe, she have an illness to her head, which is not a people just, it have people out here and no foot no hand, she just has something with her head. So why make mockery of that, saying it's G.I. Jane and G.I. Joe and all these things guys? So yes, it have a penalty to pay guys, because they have a union, they have a board, and it didn't have us to reach like that far, right? Because I watching back certain things with them guys. Guys, it's long too. Will Smith and his friends and acting in movies and all these things, you know guys. So I find it strange now that happened on the big stage. The night he was to get his reward, his awards. Guys, so on his behalf, to me, I find it look bad, but people will like the slap. Right? But I find that it's disrespectful. I'm being honest. I would have dealt with it a different way. Yeah. Well, nevertheless, it happened, and that is where the love coming in now. Right? Guys, right now, if you talk to somebody, wife too hard, that person want to jump on your show. As I hope they patch it up and Chris Rock forgive Will Smith for doing that. It's not something nice, but as that's man's wife. That's his wife. Right? If he didn't stand up for her, in the past he stand up for her. In the future, yeah. But guys, before we do anything silly like that, we gotta think. Right? And I don't think Will Smith was thinking. He was not. He was not. These are celebrities and this is men with millions of dollars and guys. And this is the thing they're doing. Guys, let me get you slapped. Did I laugh? I am not laugh, but guys, I standing up for my wife. I'm standing up for her. Well, but I'll do it the right way. Is that the right way or no way? And guys, I really hope they trust all the business. I really do hope. Yes. I don't know how long I'm feeling for this curry. What's this, guys? What's this? Guys, so World Cup coming up. Guys, it have teams. Who make it to the World Cup, guys. They make it through, you know, to qualify. Let's see if they will stand up to the big guns. So the World Cup will be short. Will Smith, I want to watch the World Cup. Also watch all Hungry Chinese videos and see the love that we that be sharing, the love that we that be giving out. Guys, it's all about love. It's all about love. Love is the key. I telling you. Like sometimes, you know, he and Will Smith maybe probably never even quarrel, right? They maybe never even had an argument. But there's that one split moment, guys, that he make that bad blunder, because to me it's a bad blunder, right? Somebody speaking about your wife, so making a mockery to the world. Come on, guys. Come on. Will Smith, I can't say I'm giving you wrong, but it have a time and a place for everything, right? And you choose to do it on spot, right? Because you was disappointed in how things went off, but come on, we all bigger than that, right? He's an idol to plenty youths. Remember Men in Black? Will Smith, you look up to you, so. What's the hungry TV videos? You are a kid, subscribe and see the love. See the love in the food, the taste, everything is just love, it's just love. That's what we're saying. Guys, let me don't kill him. It's just a slap. Let me don't bring him down. Let me don't try to make the how to play it. Let me try to don't make the human being uncomfortable, because he went through a rough patch already, guys, just the other day. And you know, sometimes people make mistakes. We can forgive him. Guys, the reason why I'm saying that is because that's my little friend, Mason Greenwood. I remember he? Rising star. Manchester United, rising star. Get yourself in problems. Right? What we go do? Life goes on. Guys, all you. So far, I like how the views and thing going, guys, but all you can help us out a little bit. Maybe it's some more now, guys. Guys, how long now we here with all you? About 2 years? 2 years now? 2 years with all you guys. Fighting up. We doesn't want to miss nothing. For all you. Give me that support, guys. Give me that love. What these videos, guys? Guys, this video, I wanted this curry, so I enjoy the curry, guys. I had some earlier on. I ate 2 pies, so my stomach kind of full, guys. So you will see me back with another booming, banging mukbang again, guys. Guys, don't forget to share the love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thumbs up, guys. Bye.